Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC. Let's quickly do this high fade tutorial. So the first thing you need to do is to create the first guideline, which is going to be on skin. Join the blades together, texture it very well, then you skin it. Please don't forget to follow, like, comment and share this video. Let other people benefit from it. Don't be stingy. If I'm stingy, I won't be putting out these things here. Please share this video, let other people benefit from it. So after you have created it and you skinned it finish, you bring the gear down to create the second guideline, which is on low cut level on that skin. I open the gear down. This is normal low cut blade level, so you texture it, create the second guideline. Please, I beg, share this video. Don't be stingy. After that, after you have created the second guideline, you use step 1.5. Watch how I'm going to flip it. See what I'm doing. See the way I'm flipping it up to create the shape, the high fade shape. See the way I'm doing it to create the high fade shape. So after you have done it finish, the next thing you are going to do now is to use your step 1 to create the third guideline, which is going to be the one that we use to blend it very well. See how my hand is moving. Please share this video. Don't forget to follow me for more. And if you want to learn barbering from the beginning to the end, go to my YouTube channel, High Universal Cuts. I detail everything. That is why I post longer videos. Do you understand? But share this video, let other people benefit from it. So after you have created the finish, look the way I'm blending it down. Watch how my hand is moving. Watch how my hand is moving. Follow it accordingly. Follow it the way the head texture is. Please follow me. You are not going to regret following me. And share this video. Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy. Share this video. Let other people benefit from it. It will not take you anything to share this video. Do you understand? Now, anything that you see that I'm not doing very well, please correct me in the comment section. After that, you turn your clipper downward, put it under low cut, you brush it. You see what I'm doing it? You brush it. Watch what I'm doing, guys. Watch what I'm doing. Please, if I'm not doing it correctly, maybe if mine is different from yours, or maybe I'm not following accordingly, please correct me in the comment section. We are all learners. Nobody is perfect. Do you understand? This barbering industry, nobody is the best. Do you understand? So after that, you see the way I'm blending it as if I'm barbing normal low cut. After you blended it finish, you still raise your hand up to blend those lines. Do you understand? Make sure you are brushing off the hair so that you see how the blending is going. Please don't forget to share. It's very, very necessary. I want other people to benefit from this. Barbing is very, very simple. Once you know the basics, the fundamentals, which I'm giving you now, please share this video. Share this video, please, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to my face with the same name. After that, see it. You close the blade to remove the first guideline, the line that you created. There is line there. You remove it. Put it under skin and remove it. Watch how my hand is moving. I'm using the edge of the blade to remove it. Please share this video. Let other people to benefit from this. Please, there is love in sharing. Share. Let other people, even if you don't find it interesting, please share. Someone out there might find it very, very interesting. Please share. After that, you brush it down again. Then you trim out the outgrowth ones so that you see the shape of your high fade very well. I love you. HUC love you. Universal Cut. Share.